What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it has been quite a while since I made a video. Obviously, the car was down for about a couple months. It is now fixed, up and running, and I have to say, running better than ever. But yeah, really? Sorry, I had something somewhere and it's not there. Anyways, today's video is going to be, oh, they're in the back. They're just stuffed in the back. I didn't shut my trunk with the stuff in it, so Brendan must have. American Muscle sent us some goodies, so we're gonna do some unboxing and an install. So yeah, let's get to it. So it's about 45 degrees outside, so I'm gonna shut this because I'm still a baby. I just had to move the track hawk out so that I could have some more space to get to the front of the car. All right, so these got here yesterday. Okay, it's not something that I particularly thought about doing, but okay. So we have ourselves the Raxiom LED headlights with a smoked lens. Obviously what caught my eye was this little LED strip that goes across the front. So super excited to install these and see what they look like in the car. Should be pretty easy, so let's go. This is the one that I already opened because Brendan wanted to see what they look like, so. Oh, no, it's just dust. Okay, so obviously first thing we're gonna do is unhook the battery, because we're dealing with electrical stuff right here, and technically you're supposed to unhook your battery whenever you do anything on your car, but most importantly when you're dealing with electrical stuff. So I'm gonna go get, pretty sure it's a 10. So I shipped my car here before I actually got here, because I went and randomly picked it up from the mechanic one day because I was tired of it. So I picked it up from the mechanic, managed to find a shipping company that was coming exactly here on Sunday, and so shipped it immediately. So this car got here before I did, and I sent it with a bunch of my stuff in it, and Brendan got me a toolbox. So I have my very own toolbox now that he organized, and I don't know where anything is in it, but very appreciative. You don't need to watch all this. So the really nice part about my car is I don't have a belly pan on it, and I also don't have a radiator cover. So you do have to take off the bumper, and apparently a 10 is too big. I could go my entire life without having to take this bumper off again because I don't want to. So now that I have the bumper off, let's get to the headlights. Honestly, I thought this was going to be a lot harder than it was. The only hard part was literally the bolt that holds the bumper to the fender. So I've got my factory wiring harness plugged into the new headlight. I just have to get it up here and bolt it in. But I am also going to test them before I put the bumper back on, because I'm not going to put the bumper on, find out something wasn't plugged in properly, and then take the bumper off. So here we go. The amount of different size bolts also in this car pisses me off. Like, stick with the size. All right, I know it's a little loud. Let me go outside for a second. I have not let you guys hear the car since it is back up and running. So I figured I would start it, let it run for a little bit. Filthy. All I did was headlights. But let you guys hear it run, hear that it sounds absolutely so much better. Brendan did cut the exhaust off and do turn downs right under the middle of the car. So we're on our way to doing bumper dumps with it. So right now it just has, my GoPro just died, so we are finishing recording this on my phone. So the car does have turn downs until Brendan can figure out how to do a bumper dump with everything that's under the hood, because it's kind of a lot. So I have the headlights in. I do have to say they look a lot better than I thought they would, and I actually absolutely love them on the car. So let's take a look at it. It's a little bright. Let me turn down the brightness. Obviously the LED strips, they look so good. But can you hear the car? It sounds so good now. So let me turn the brightness back up. It has turn downs right here. It's kind of hard to see. Right here, under this part of the car. For now. Car does drone really bad because of it, but you can hear a lot more turbo sounds, and I absolutely love that. So it was a little loud, but I turned on just the LED strips so you can just see those. So you can see the LED strip. These lights are so bright down here, these ones. But honestly, this is my favorite part. I love the black housing. It makes the car look so much cleaner. But let me show it to you without the lights on. I think it really cleans up the front end of the car real nice. Much better than those stock headlights. But I think these look so much cleaner, so much better on this car. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I'll have more videos for you. Maybe not, actually, because it's winter time and we're probably not going to do too much car stuff since, you know, I'm in New Hampshire now and they actually have winters here.